Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am officially 1 week out from my due date. When you are watching this, I'll be even closer to my due date. Maybe I'll have had the baby already. I don't know, but I thought it was about time that I packed my hospital bag. This has been something I've been like super lazy about, but I finally got everything put together today. I thought I would share it with you all while it still is all packed nicely and organized and everything. I'm gonna walk through everything and kind of share why I'm bringing it or what I'm gonna use it for, all of that. And then my next video will be what I'm packing in the baby's hospital bag. If you guys want to see the birth vlog and follow along with that whole journey, definitely check out my vlog channel. I'll link it right here and also down below. Michael, my husband, and I, we vlog all the time, every week. So we'll definitely be vlogging this whole process. I'm super excited, so check that out. Definitely follow us on Instagram. We'll be posting on there as well, little sneak peeks. Okay, so let's get started with the first thing that I'm bringing. As soon as we get to the hospital, the first thing I'm gonna bring in with me is obviously just my handbag. I think this is just something I bring with me everywhere, but there are things in here that I'll need. I've heard of like a lot of stories where women go to the hospital, they think they're in labor, and then they get turned away, or maybe they get asked to come back a couple hours later, whatever. So I'm not gonna bring in like my huge overnight bag and all the baby stuff right away. I'll probably just bring just my purse to begin with. So here's my purse. I do have like a what's in my bag, but I'm just gonna show you guys the stuff that I think would be relative to this. So inside, obviously, I have my phone with my cute little lemon case. I have some tissues, which are always necessary. I have really bad allergies, especially lately. I have a small little jar of my vitamins. These are just the vitamin code from Garden of Life. They're a really great prenatal. I have my wallet, which has my ID, my money, my insurance card, all of that, you know, information that you have to bring with you to the hospital. A bunch of hair ties and like clips and stuff if I'll need that. I also have a couple different like lip balms, this one, Caudalie, Sarah Hap, a bunch of different stuff like that. So that's basically everything that's gonna come with me in my purse. And also, this was a recommendation from you guys. You told me to bring my Yeti so I could fill up my water and kind of use my own cup and get ice chips and stuff in there. So I'll definitely be bringing my Yeti cup as well. And a phone charger, but that's not in here right now because I need to use that every day up until then. But I'll be packing a phone charger as well. So I've opened up my suitcase and laid everything out here. Once we get settled into the room, I'll have Michael probably go grab the suitcase once I need it with all my stuff, and then the baby's stuff once he's born and we need that type of stuff. That way we don't have like the room full of stuff. I know a lot of women bring like a duffel bag. I actually, believe it or not, don't have a duffel bag. I don't have anything like that. But I have an excess amount of small travel like carry-on suitcases. So that's what I'm going to be bringing with me. It's super easy to just roll that in and out. I can throw that on the floor or like scooch it into a corner or something. It's just a lot easier for me and I don't have to worry about it or anything. So basically what I have in here are my packing cubes. I'm obsessed with packing cubes. This just keeps everything super organized and easy to find. So I'm going to go through this with you guys, but if you hear something like jingling and jangling and moving around, Colby is obsessed with the nursery and he's always in here and he's like sniffing everything. I don't know why, but that's just Colby if you hear something. Okay, so in this first one, I have all of my clothes that I'm going to be bringing. So basically the weather here right now, it's like snowing today, but tomorrow it could be super nice. So I'm planning on bringing or like wearing my coat or whatever is appropriate coat-wise to the hospital when I go, so I don't have to like pack that or anything. But in here, I'm mainly just going to be bringing black pajamas, keeping it really simple. So I have this pair of black, it's like an all black set. Here are the pants. And then this is just a shirt. It's a button-up shirt, so it'll be really easy to put on and off. It's super handy. This set is actually from Nordstrom, and I am obsessed with these pants. They are so nice. They're just actually the Nordstrom brand. I will link everything down below, but this is like my second or third pair. They're so comfortable. They've been my favorite all through pregnancy. I also have a very similar pair from Target that I wanted to just buy another pair, but I couldn't find them. So if I can find them, I'll link them for you guys. Target makes one like exactly the same for less. But this is super comfortable. I love these pajamas. And then I also picked up this. It's kind of like the same thing. It's just more of like a little dress style. I have one of these from Eberjey and I love it. I wear it like every night. It's just really, really comfortable and easy and breathable. So I wanted to pick up another one, but this one's actually just Nordstrom brand. Eberjey is like so expensive. So hopefully this one is very similar, just as comfortable. And then this I think I just picked up from Nordstrom. It's actually just a short little like flowy robe. So just something easy I could throw on. It has the little robe tie here. I could wear it with the pants or with the dress. I actually brought some nursing tanks too if I want to wear those with the pants. So I found these on Amazon as well. Again, I'll link everything because I don't know the brand, but it came in like a pack of 3. So they're just very simple nursing tanks. That way I don't have to bring like a tank top or a t-shirt and a bra. Like it's all just in one. It's super easy. They just clasp down like that. So I have a white one. It came with gray as well, but I'm just bringing the black and then this is the white. As far as like a coming home outfit, I actually planned on wearing the white tank top just with my really super comfortable Align yoga pants from Lululemon. I wear these every day. I have a bunch of pairs. They're so comfortable. They feel like nothing on, so I knew I wanted to bring these, so I have them all washed and ready to go, my black ones. And then I just have this really kind of like flowy and loose zip up. This is actually from Target. It's really nice. I like it that way. It doesn't really matter what the weather is. I could just throw this on over top. It fits me now, so it'll fit me after, no problem, and it's just kind of like easy. I really didn't want to overpack. I also wanted to keep it simple, so I just thought 2 pairs of pajamas and a couple shirts, just keep it really easy. I did also hear from a lot of women to bring like large underwear, so I just picked up a pair. These were called like postpartum underwear on Amazon, so I just got like a pack of, I think it's 5. So I have those. And I also heard to bring like sticky socks if you need to walk around the hospital or just if your feet get cold. So I have these really cute ones. These are actually from Too Faced and they say peaches and cream and they have like the little sticky on the bottom. So I have that, as well as just 1 pair of like regular socks if I wear tennis shoes home or whatever. I just wanted to have a pair of socks. So the next thing I'm bringing was actually a recommendation from Mallory. She said her doctor told her to bring this, and I was like, that's a really good idea. So if you don't know, my best friend Mallory and I were only 5 weeks apart. She's due 5 weeks after me, so we've been kind of like going through pregnancy together. It's been really fun. So she told me that her doctor said to bring a towel from home, that the ones at the hospital just aren't nice, and it's just nice to have like a comforting piece of home with you after you give birth, and it just feels better. So I actually just have an extra towel that I put in there, which I think why? I was doing so good. Okay, so the towel. So basically, everyone says like, oh, you get so hot during the end of your pregnancy. I was like, no way. It's snowing, it's freezing. I'm not gonna be hot. No, I've been hot like the past couple of weeks. At night, I get really hot. So I did want to bring a pair of flip-flops. I don't even imagine myself like wanting to put on those big, comfy, like heavy socks. So I do have just a pair of Hobbiana flip-flops. These will also be great for the shower, just walking around as well. And I have my belly band. I picked this up from Amazon as well. Amazon is like my favorite. If you can't tell, I'm in like my comfy clothes and my sweats. I've been like hibernating at home, and Amazon Prime has been like a lifesaver. I love ordering like everything I can from there basically. So I don't know if I'll use this while I'm in the hospital, but it literally takes up no space at all. So I'll just bring it with me. I really don't feel like I overpacked, but I watched a bunch of videos on what other people bring, and I looked on Pinterest, so you guys will have to let me know if you think I overpacked or I packed just enough. So the rest of the items that I have here are just my toiletries, so I have them in one more packing cube. If you watch our vlog channel, you might have seen the clip where I was like telling you guys I've been washing my hair every day, so that if I do go into labor, my hair is like gonna look okay for like 3 or 4 days. So I would never even think to bring like my curling iron or anything like that. Definitely won't have time to do that, and I feel like that would just be a waste. So I'm just gonna bring my hairbrush from Eco Tools and a little dry shampoo. Like I said, I have a bunch of hair ties just to keep it really simple. If I wash and dry my hair, you know, it stays like this pretty much until I wash it again, so I wouldn't even need to recurl it. Okay, I have some pads for obvious reasons, and I don't know if I'll actually need these. I think that they'll have them at the hospital, so I just brought just a couple. Now they're all over. It's gonna take me forever to put this bag back together, and it was so nice before. I just have a couple of disposable nursing pads, another thing that I think they'll have for me at the hospital. However, they didn't like give me a list of things to bring or tell me what they are gonna provide or anything, so I do wanna be at least a little bit prepared, but I'm not gonna bring too much. So I just have a couple here. And then this is actually from Frida Baby. It's called the Mom Washer, so I was told this was very important to bring, so I have that. And then in here is kind of like my everyday toiletries. I have some makeup removing wipes. Basically, I don't really plan on doing makeup in the hospital, but if I had some on or if I do put some on, I wanted to obviously have some wipes, some face wash, some more hair ties and stuff. I'll probably throw like a little moisturizer or like a little serum in there as well, but I'm using that at the moment. So before we leave, there are a couple things that I'll have to throw in this bag. I'll let you guys know at the end of the video, but like a moisturizer is one of them. Okay, and then I also have some toothbrush and toothpaste. I just got brand new just so I could bring it right in the bag. I do have a little disposable razor if I wanted to like shave my armpits or something, but if I don't use it, no big deal. And then I have some deodorant from Dove. This is my favorite. It's just like a nice easy spray. Then I got this on Amazon as a recommendation from a couple of you guys. It's called the Earth Mama Herbal Spray. So I'm going to be bringing that, as well as the Lancino, what is this called? Lanolin, like nipple cream. So I have that as well. And that's pretty much all the toiletries that I am going to be bringing. I did pack a little bag of makeup. I don't know if I'll bring it, but it's basically just foundation, powder, some lipstick, lip balm, and like a mascara wand so I can brush out my lashes, like no big deal. So I plan on keeping that pretty simple. I don't imagine myself wanting to put makeup on, but if I want to, maybe just for like some pictures or something, I will bring it, and it's really no big deal. It's just a small little bag. But this I will for sure bring, my Complexion Rescue from IT Cosmetics. It will just be nice to kind of put this on to even out my skin a little bit for when people come visit or, you know, whatever. So I just have a little tin of moisturizer. And Michael's going to be obviously bringing his bag of clothes and stuff too, but we live fairly close to the hospital. Well, it won't be a big deal for him to come home if he has to, but I heard from a lot of people to bring like some snacks with you to the hospital. So this will probably be in his bag, but I have some lemon Luna bars. These are my favorite, and I also just have some trail mix. So that's kind of what I have for snacks, and that's everything that I'm bringing. You guys will have to let me know if I'm missing anything, but I feel like this is a pretty good setup I've got going here. I have everything that I need. Michael will be packing the camera and the charger and all that kind of stuff, so I don't need to worry about that. I think that's all. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to check out our vlog channel, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.